Annyeonghaseyo. This is Chef David. Today is a very special day. I have a friend whose birthday is today. So we are going to cook a birthday soup, a Korean birthday soup. Okay, it's called Miyeokguk. Let's start cooking. Let's turn on the oven. We're going to add the sesame oil. Okay, we're going to fry the beef first. Okay, we'll just do a quick stir fry. So now we're going to add in the onions. A bit of the soy sauce. The seaweed. Okay, this seaweed actually you can buy it at any grocery store. It comes dried. Okay, you need to rehydrate it by soaking it in water. So once you can smell the flavor of the seaweed, okay, you can add in the garlic. Okay, and finally the chicken stock. You can use beef stock if you want as well. Okay, right now you can just let it boil. Okay, so we're just going to cover this to enhance the speed of the cooking. Alright, it's already been 10 minutes. I will take a look at how the soup is doing. Wow, it smells fantastic. Okay guys, you can see the soup it's already done. Okay, the seaweed is already cooked. You can actually continue to cook it if you want. 10-minute mark is already good enough for eating. Okay, so I'm going to put this into the bowl. There you have it, Miyeokguk birthday soup. It's really easy to make. Do make it at home, and I'll see you soon. Enjoy. Thank you very much.